my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Rock 254, man. Let me turn this brightness down. We're not under the car no more. Not under the car no more, so I don't necessarily have to have it as bright as it was before. So tune in. Got another one for you. Got a package. Already opened the box. Wait, what the fuck is that? An umbrella? Haha. It's almost like an umbrella, but it's not an umbrella. Even though it really looks like a fucking umbrella. But let me show you what the fuck it is. Hold on. Put this back in here. What I got here is a car windshield sunshade blocking UV ultraviolet rays, heat insulation protection, folding umbrella sunshade. Keeping the car, keep soup cool for summer. This, I think, is a very much needed thing, especially when you're doing like your boy doing and you're riding Glass House. I got the photo box Chevy over here. We definitely riding Glass House. Let me turn the brightness down again because it is up there. It is up there. Alright, there we go. Bing bong. Alright, my autofocus is back on. Make sure I got I think 2/3 will be good, y'all. Alright, man, so yeah, especially when you ride Glass House, like I'm riding Glass House on my photo, LS box Chevy, bro, hell. You know what I'm saying? Trifecta, LS trifecta. So, let me show you. Or let me open it up. So it says an umbrella and a windshield, right? Well, it says it's an umbrella, but it's a visor too. So I ain't never seen this before. So you know me, man. You know me. So if you're familiar with if you're familiar with the umbrella, it's pretty much like an umbrella. It's got a button right here that you can push to release it. Just like that. So in theory, yeah. So in theory, this should be able to just expand into your windshield. So I'm gonna go try it. Let me see what happens. So I'm gonna bring y'all up here and put y'all pointed right here at said windshield. And then I am going to install said umbrella. Smash the like button. Cause it be hot as hell. Alright, so y'all just seen me put it up. So let me show y'all what it looked like from the other side. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of crazy looking. I don't know if it's just because it's an old school or whatever, like it really don't fit all the way over. It does not fit all the way over, but for the most part, that is gonna keep a lot of the heat at your ride. Of course, I had to go in front of the mirror, rear view mirror, so that's to be expected. So yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about this situationship. Price was decent. I mean, for something that's like convertible like that versus something you gotta try to extend across. And I mean, I will say that too. Like, I mean, the extendable joints ain't necessarily, they don't fit all the way across anyway. So yeah, man, y'all let me know. Let me know y'all thoughts. Let me know what y'all think. I'll put the link down in the description box below. Yeah, pick one of these up if you want to. Put them in your rides for the summer. It's your boy LS7R254. Remember, identify your weaknesses. Making your strength life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.